This is section 3 of the 2023 paper, Hardware and Software. So 11. Which of the following classified as an input device? Now, an input device puts something in the system. A plasma screen is like a TV screen. It doesn't. That's an output. It gives pictures, whatever. A plotter, it gives off when you do something on computer, it plots it. So that's the output. Printer output, audio player output. So E. Now the keyword is your character recognition. So obviously magnetic ink character recognition will recognize the magnetic ink of this cartridge or whatever. So that's the input. It recognizes that ink and converts it to things you can see or text or whatever is stored in there. So it's E. So the answer would be E. Now 12. Which of the following categories of storage devices uses memory chips to store data? So it will be solid state drive. So your hard drives and all what you use is memory chips. 13. The store results step of a machine cycle. Now a machine cycle, just to class a summary, arithmetic logic unit ALU performs logical things. So it's basically the brain, right? It performs statements such as and, or, maths and stuff, right? Control unit, it controls the flow of all the stuff in the computer going into the arithmetic logical unit, going out. It basically controls it, right? In fact, this could be like a brain, to be honest. Hard disk drive is no. Removable disk, no. The reason why it won't store in the hard drive is because hard drive, only the last, then it stores in the hard drive. But it stores in something called the register. As soon as any instruction is done, it stores in the register first. After that, give it some time, it'll store on the hard disk. But after that, the step after that straight goes to the register. Which of the following is an example of an application software? So application software is like Word, Excel, etc. So if a app you get reduces the size of a file, that's application software. So think about your phone, where you edit videos or whatever. You can reduce the file of the video, add things to video, edit the video. So it's an application. All this maintains network connection. These are operating systems, right? Now, if you're a business and you want a specific number of users that are using your system, but there's any number of users are allowed to use the software, it's called concurrent, right? Single user means only one user. So if I want to buy a software, I can only use it. Multi-user. So let's say if 20 people exact need the software, you buy it for 20 people. That's a multi-user. Concurrent, any people can use it, but it doesn't have to be fixed. For example, 20 people have to use 20 people. No, I can go to 100, I can go to 10, I can go to 15. If the max is 100, I can be 90, 50, 30. So concurrent. So concurrent means it can handle that amount of users at that specific time. Number 16. Now number 16, this thing over here, it's the textbook got this whole table of what number, generation and whatever. You can just guess this one, but basically it's first, huh? I got this wrong initially, so yeah, I didn't know this, but it's like a memorizing table. So assembly language, what is called? Yeah, this is machine learning language, if you ask that, right? Machine learning language. So that's first. So that's done.